back at the time, I never thought I'd see a face. Ain't a woman alive that can take my mama's place. Split it from school, sitting at home, I'm in school with the big boys, breaking all the rules. I said cheese with my baby sister. Yeah, the ass was growing another little key. And even though we had different jacks, the same drama, things were wrong, we blamed mama. I reminisce on the stress I caused. It was hell, hugging on my mama from a jail cell.
We fucked up, you see, right? That on